we're here today with a video, and the Dodge Stealth is all the way over there in the garage. Doesn't look that far, it's just actually close to what it sees on the camera. But so I got the cap off here, and I took that off. I'm surprised these tires weren't dry rotted, unlike the ones in the back, because these are the original tires. Except the front ones. The front ones are the original ones. The back ones are the original tires. So we're sanding this down today because the paint is chipping off, and the guy just painted it with your average spray paint, not actual paint that you're supposed to use on these suckers. And then he used like Flex Seal, like Flex Seal. He coated the heck out of this, so it's like a pain to take all this off. But I'm using 2000 grit. Very good stuff. Cleaning out the dust off this. So you see, it's peeling. And we got gray primer on here, so. And we're making the Dodge Stealth look like car. If you don't know who that is, look up K-A-R-R. And he's a character from Knight Rider, since the Dodge Stealth was used for Knight Rider 3000. It was a red Knight Rider. That was a 1991 Dodge Stealth. So all of you 1991 Dodge Stealth owners are owning what is owning a Knight Rider technically. But if you look up the body from the front, it looks freaking cool. The back is okay-ish, and then the front is. And if you look at the side, you'll see why they ended Knight Rider 3000 very quickly. If you want to follow me on Facebook, I am Emily Warren. I have a picture. I'm going to send a picture of my car. Yep. I'll put it in the link below. And it was about time to start doing these, because we actually had... Sorry, the camera was on the side. Oh, sorry about that. We actually had a problem to the point where the car was driven on dirt. Really dirt, nasty roads. So this car got dents on this. I don't think I posted the video that I shared the story of what happened to the car. Man, I wish I got a picture. I got a picture of what the car originally looked like. I know I shouldn't be sanding like that. It's really bad. Okay, screw it. The camera wants to do that. I'm just gonna record this way. This part here, you can't sand and have these because these are actually plastic, covered with a metal layer of paint, copper. So you're just gonna wanna stand right between them and try not to hit them. So I already been talking quietly on camera. I don't have a mic. And I am a 12-year-old, and I own a car. Pretty funny. Alright, I'll meet you guys in a minute here. Okay, we're back. I only got 4 minutes, 3 minutes to record. So, here we are. Very nice. Smells like that. My dad did that. But it doesn't work that well.